Hello, welcome.
Hi guys, it's your boy here, Kafrema, your village technician. I want to talk about water. We know about rains. When rain comes or when it rains, most of the water from rain goes away as floods or service runoff. We have houses which are connected or are roofed with iron sheets. These houses can be used to collect this water, and this water can be used during the dry season. I'm going to show you a system which I've done of collecting water from the roof and storing it in tanks like this one. This system which I've used is most convenient. This is the illustration of the system. We have the house and the tank, and this tank. From the roof of the house, we have some gutters here which are connected with downpipe. This downpipe, the first downpipe, we call it the first flush. This first flush is used to collect all the debris after dry season and the dust from the roof. The first rain washes the roof, and the first water will get to this first pipe, and it will be held there. When this water fills this first pipe, it will divert to the second pipe, which is connected to buried underground pipe, which will take the water to the tank, here. Here we have a manhole which has a connector here, which we can use to clean up the underground pipe after some times. We can use this after about a year. We clean out all the water here during the dry season so that we can make our system cleaner. So the system, first we have this first pipe, the first flushes all the dirt, and then we have this one, another manhole here, which we are going to use to clean the underground pipe. This may take some years. Note that your tank and the house should not be at the same level. The house should be a bit taller, so choose a tank which is short to your house, because the height here will be higher than the height here, so that all the water from here can be pushed to come to the tank. At least the difference from the intake of the tank to the house must be the house must be taller with about 8 inches. So consider that while making this system. Also, while burying this, make sure that you test it before burying, because the pressure here will be a lot. Note that this is a 4-inch pipe. 4-inch pipe, the weight of this water, or there will always be water to the height of this tank, because when the water fills here, is is when the water will pour into tank. So this pipe underground will have a lot of pressure, so you must seal it completely. Make sure you have tested before burying. Fill the water, see whether there are leaks. Also, you can put a sieve or a screen here at the beginning or after the gutters to make sure that leaves which have fallen on the roof don't get into the system.
We have the gutter from the roof. It goes down to the to the pipe there, 4 inches pipe. From the gutter to the 4 inches pipe. The first pipe, this pipe comes to this pipe. This pipe takes it down to here. This pipe, I'm using it as fast flush. When it is dry season, there is a lot of dust which accumulates on the roof. We don't want this dust going into our tank. So the first water will come through this pipe. Before filling it, all the dust will have been washed from the roof. Then we have a junction there. We have a junction there. That junction, when this pipe fills, the first pipe fills, it will take the water to the second pipe. The second pipe will take the water to underground. And this underground pipe is buried about 3 feet underground to avoid the disturbance. And this underground pipe goes to the tank there. This system, I saw it somewhere, it is very efficient. This is a 10,000 liters tank. And this is where the underground pipe appears. From underground, it rises and into the tank. The small black pipe you see here, it contains the wire to the float switch, which will control the pump. When the tank is full, the pump will be on, and when it is empty, the pump will be off. The cabling of the float switch is in this pipe. It follows to the pump which is in the house. So this system is very efficient. The tank now is almost full. It's almost full. As the rain, don't complain about El Nino. Do something to get the water from the rains. Store it, because you know after this heavy rain there is going to be a drought or some dry season, and this drought can hit very hard. But if you have stored your water, you'll be lucky, or you'll use the dry season. That is the system. The gutter there, that is the gutter. That is the gutter, from the gutter to the first pipe, which is the first flush, down here. All the water contains in this first pipe is dirty or contains some debris from the roof. Then when this first pipe fills, it takes the water to the next pipe. The next pipe goes underground to the tank there. It is a simple, very simple system. And also you have to consider the height of the junction, or the height of the pipe taking to the water to the tank have to be a little bit higher than your tank, than the height of your tank. At least a difference of 8 inches to push the water in the from underground pipe to the tank. That is a rainwater system I wanted to share with you. Please, in the comment section, tell me about how you are harvesting your water in your area, all over the world, when it is raining heavily, to be used when there is drought. That is my simple system. I have also another system here in this house. I have also another system which involves the gutters and down to the tank direct. It also has a fast flush. That means before water from the roof through the gutters to the tank reaches the tank, there is this diversion which takes down the water, the first flush, the first rain, down to this pipe, so all the debris are contained in this pipe here. When this one fills, the roof will now be clean and the rest of the water will go direct. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed. Share, like, comment so that I can improve on my system. And also please harvest water when it is raining. During this heavy rainfall of El Nino, please harvest water to use during the February and March when it will be a bit dry. Please consider subscribing and like, share this video to educate more or inform more people to harvest rainwater. Thank you very much, and bye bye.